when this thing first came in, it being a new machine, right? But you very quickly were able to gain the confidence that you needed to really create the output that you were looking to do.
That's right.
Who was your service and support for all of that training?
Yeah, great question. Yamazen Service and Support out of Northern Illinois. They did a fantastic job. If I could give a shout out to a guy named Matt Gartner. He's a great trainer, really great guy to work with. Really put our minds to ease. I personally and the guy that was training with me had only run 2 different machine manufacturers before, and mainly for 10 or so years I'd only run one, and that was one control interface. So a bit of my hesitation initially was because, oh man, you know, this is a new control, this is supposed to be a very sophisticated machine, am I going to have the chops to run this machine, right? But within a few days and some really basic training from Matt and the guys at Yamazen, we were able to dial in and run a part and get really comfortable with tool length offsets, with probing, with scheduling the pallet system, and really gain a lot of confidence quickly in the operation of the Matsuura.